Welcome back to PFI Speed, guys. Today we're still prepping to go to Florida. Sean's back there working on the bully. We've had a couple tunes already today, but this tune I wanted to show you guys. This is our buddy Jose, not to be confused with Hose B. Is that what you always say?
Yeah.
So Jose's one of our clients. He's got this bad little Civic. He drives this thing with a stick. So I don't know if you have to dyno that way too.
This is so he doesn't have a left leg. This is his left leg.
Is that pole? Man, we should at least put a pad on the bottom for that thing.
That's what I've always wanted to put, a sleeve there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it'll rest in it.
Yeah. But he's got this thing down. Right now it's on, he just put this little turbo kit on a stock engine, right?
Yep.
With what size injectors?
R22.
2200cc injectors. So he plans on taking this further one day. But it is a gorgeous little ride. He's been working on it for a while. And I just want to share it with you guys. I think it's pretty awesome. Jamie's going to tune this thing out. I'm going to go ahead and sync it and get things prepped. I got to work on my own personal Accord. It's about to turn 400,000 miles. And all the seals decided to go bad those last, I don't know. It's been 2 tanks where I pretty much had to fill it with oil. At the same time I fill up with fuel. So, yep, I'm going to do some seals on that later today too. So, we're just going to be working and chilling. And hope you guys chill out with us, hang out, and let's rip some hot rods. Alright, I got the timing light. You set?
Yep.
Alright. We're going to go ahead and get this thing synced up here. So he's got it at 16 degrees in the car. And I'm seeing 11. They got a match. You can hear the tone change. Too advanced. And then we're golden right there, pony boy. So we'll lock this down. It's locked down. Now he's ready to start tuning. Alright, let's go. $182 to start with. It's a stock engine, right?
Yep.
He definitely needs engine mounts. Again, no torque mount, stock mounts, and this thing lifts like a lot.
You want to feel that solenoid real quick?
Yep. Oh yeah, she's a humming. Humming away. Yep, she's rocking. I can't really hear the tone because the engine's running, but I can feel that it's going. You need ear muffs or anything?
Yeah.
I'll get some for myself. Hung it right till the end. It went rich. 183. Now this is low boost. It's probably only a pound or two.
1.3.
1.3 pounds. Figured. I figured, but you found the smoothness.
Yeah.
And the richness is part of that too. But I mean, you can still get it cleaned up. But yeah, I think she's about ready for some boost duty.
Oh yeah.
Again, this is on pump gas or E85?
Oh, 85.
E85, so 10, 11, 12 pounds or something, tops kind of thing?
Yep.
Cool. I'm kind of thinking we should just find that mount for him the way this thing moves. It's scary.
Okay.
I was watching it going, oh, that thing could hit the dirt any minute.
Okay. That was 2.7 pounds.
2.7 pounds?
Yeah.
205 horsepower. So every pound we're gonna get 20 horsepower. That'd be all right.
I mean, that was duty up to 35. So with how light this spring is, it's gonna take a lot.
Yep, that's fact, Jack. So Jamie got with Shane, and they went ahead and found him out. And Jamie's getting ready to put it on there. It's just sitting down there on the ground right now. But Jamie's finding some bolts. Get that in there, and then we'll watch and see how much this engine moves after that. Let's go. We got the new engine mount on there. Now we can watch to see if this thing moves at all. Are you ready? I thought so. Much better. See what it's like with torque. Still a little movement, but better. At least we know that engine mount can't hit the dirt. Horsepower. That's on the right track, brother.
It touched 10 pounds at the very end.
Well, I'll just leave her in that kind of ballpark then and just dial her in.
Yep.
How'd everything else look?
It needs just a touch of fuel. It wasn't enough for me to get out of it. Everything else is solid.
Okay. It looks really good. The graph looks great. What's the rev limiter?
84, 82.
That's probably good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, 82.
Yeah, she's on a steady climb. That's all I asked.
Yeah.
So. But it is a stock engine, and we want them to enjoy it. So we have some good numbers that we like to give guys on stock stuff. That way they can have fun with it. You can always turn them up and make a bunch of power, and yeah, they'll hold this and that. But if it dies right away, then what's the fun? Are you ready, Jamie? You're born ready?
Yep. But the temp's not there.
Oh, let's go. The power. 330 horse. Man, at the very back it started climbing. I was like, oh, there's some power.
Yeah, 'cause it made 11.9 and my boost cut is at 12.
Woo! Flirting. She's a good runner, bro. Woo! Oh, okay. And in through the fog.
Alright. Awesome.
Make sure it warms up before you rip on it.
I got my motor mount and torque mount in today.
Oh, we just put a torque mount.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. The motor was moved, like we stopped dynoing it.
Oh,
We
okay.
were worried about breaking
Okay, cool. Driving the Mamadon. Fucking amazing. Oh yeah. Hey, let me call you back. Alright.
Here he comes.
Here he comes.
Think he's stoked?
Yeah, man. I'd be stoked. He was jamming the gears though.
Oh, I know.
I was like, what? Nothing. I mean, that's a story and a half. Hell yeah, 4 bangers. Loyalty. Dude, you were jamming the gears, bro.
Yeah, I missed the gear, but I mean, this thing is it's an animal.
It sounded so good.
It sounds good, yeah. Oh, I love it.
Heck yeah, man.
You deserve it, bro. You waited a long time.
I did. Yeah, no, I love it. It's amazing.
That's awesome.
I think I only hit like 8 pounds at like 6,500 RPM and I was shifting it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It just gets stronger.
It's linear, so the more RPM you go, the more boost it makes.
I felt like once I got on it, they're just like pull,
Yeah.
pull.
Yeah.
But like I shifted at like 6,500 just because I don't want to like hit rhythm and all that
Yeah.
stuff.
So something else we're talking about doing, sometime when it's gonna snow, we're gonna have him drop the car off. And we've talked about putting almost a clutch lever basically on the shifter itself. Because he doesn't have his left leg to push the clutch, so he's got a stick right now. But that way he can just do everything with his right hand. And his left hand always stays on the steering wheel. You know, he's got one arm on the clutch, one arm on the steering wheel, and taking that one off to the shifter. You know, it's kind of a little hard for him, but he still jams through the damn gears.
Yeah.
But if we put, but if we put it all on just a lever on the shifter, then it's just, you can do two things with one hand, and you can hold the steering wheel.
Exactly, yeah.
So we're just kind of planning on sometime when it's about to snow and he can't drive the car for a couple days, he can just drop it off. We can bust through that.
Play around.
Yeah.
That'll be cool. We're out here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. We're having fun. Yeah, we are doing our thing. Thank you for having me.
See you, bro. Enjoy, man.
I will. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Jose's one of those guys with no quit in him. It's pretty awesome to watch. You can't wait to see where he goes with his hot rod and how fast he ends up getting it. So appreciate you guys watching. Give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.